Good morning, everyone. Hello, world. Hello, everyone. Cooking pancit bihon Filipino food in the USA. Lahing vegetables over here with pancit. I boiled some water because of my wok is too small. I have to separate the noodles when I cook it.
I guess all my cups, sir.
So I'm cooking the noodles now by itself. Boiled water and cook it. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribe everyone. God bless world. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless. Thank you.